Last year you joked that you wouldn't eat much of anything that Molly cooks because it has no taste. It would need to add bacon grease. Has she proven herself since?
Did I say all that about Molly?
That's a lot.
That's a lot to say about
somebody.
somebody I love.
She is
So Molly and
vegan.
I know she is
think.
now. When Molly and I started hanging out together, she loved Cracker Barrel. In fact, that's the thing she hated the worst when she had to leave the South. One day she called me and said, "Aunt Dolly, I'm going to have to quit eating Cracker Barrel. I'm going to have to start watching my health." I said, "Well, okay." So I always accuse her of just eating twigs and sticks and grass. But I love Molly.
She's so
But
sweet.
yeah, I know. I'll put a little bacon grease in mine.
Carry some
Yeah,
in
I'll
your
carry some
pocketbook.
with me.